Hey there, and welcome back to the YouTube channel Effortless with AI. Today, we've got a game changer for you. You might already know that dropshippers make around $100,000 per year on average. But did you know that with the help of AI, anyone can become a dropshipping pro and potentially earn even more? That's right. In today's video, we're going to introduce you to an amazing AI dropshipping tool that could help you make a whopping $145,000 in just 1 year. So stick around to learn all about this tool and how you can use it. And if you're interested in making money online using AI, don't forget to join our free waitlist at the first link in the description below. Trust us, you don't want to miss this. Getting back to the video first, let's get back to the basics. If you're not familiar with dropshipping, it's a business model where you partner with a supplier who stocks and ships products for you. You create an online store, list products from the supplier, and when a customer places an order, you forward that order to the supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer on your behalf. No stocking or shipping products yourself. Talk about hassle-free. This means you can start an online store with minimal investment and without dealing with the logistics of running a traditional retail business. Now let's talk AI. You might be wondering what an AI has to do with dropshipping. Well, AI algorithms can analyze huge sets of data to predict and make decisions, making dropshipping more efficient. For instance, AI tools can analyze market trends, customer reviews, and search volumes to identify profitable products, saving you tons of time and effort. So if you're a dropshipper, it's time to harness the power of AI and boost your business. Without further ado, let's dive into the platform where you can find this incredible AI tool, Minia.com. Minia is a game-changing product research website used by pro dropshippers to find their winning products. One of its standout features is the Facebook Ad Spy tool, which adds 10,000 ads daily for you to use. Talk about a goldmine for inspiration. But that's not all. Minia also has a tool that allows you to spy on other dropshipping stores. Imagine the insights you'll gain from this. Recently, Minia expanded their offering by adding TikTok Ad Spy and Pinterest Ad Spy tools. They've even got an influencer marketing section where you can see how much influencers charge for paid advertisements on their social media platforms. This way, you can plan your marketing budget more effectively. And wait, there's more! As you continue using Minia, you'll gradually unlock access to the list section, which is filled with premium features like top 100 winning products to sell on Facebook. Clicking on that list will reveal a treasure trove of winning products for you to analyze and choose from. Alright, so now that you have a better understanding of Minia and its features, let's dive into the real star of the show, the AI within Minia. This powerful AI is designed to help you find fresh, winning products before anyone else. That's right, we're talking about the top 1% of products among millions online. Minia's business plan AI boasts a predictive model trained to detect product potential, monitoring hundreds of thousands of products in real time. So the moment a product starts to gain traction, you'll be among the first to know. What's even better is that access to this AI is limited to only 200 people per month. This means that you can be confident that the products and information you receive won't be oversaturated in the market. Once you're on Minia and have access to the business plan, you'll find 3 special tabs to choose from: the Winning Products tab, the Success Rater tab, and the Track a New Shop tab. Each of these tabs is exclusively controlled by Minia's AI and is only available to a limited number of users. Now that we've introduced you to the business plan AI within Minia, let's dive deeper into these 3 exclusive tabs it offers. Remember, these tabs are the Winning Products tab, the Success Rater tab, and the Track a New Shop tab. We'll begin with the Winning Products tab. The Winning Products tab allows you to discover various dropshipping tabs for sale on Shopify and conduct your own custom searches. With dozens of filters at your disposal, you can narrow down and segment your searches to find the perfect products. Once you've activated your filters, you'll receive a list of thousands of products that match your criteria. Next up is the Success Rater tab. The Success Rater helps you to identify the top 1% of winning products based on the AI algorithm, ensuring you only see products with high engagement and consistent sales. You can choose from early winners, recent sales spikes, viral products, high engagement on Facebook and TikTok ads, and recently launched products, new but already making sales. In this tab, you can also monitor the growth of shops and their daily winning product launches. As you scroll down, you'll find booming promotions of the moment, showcasing the best performing ad creatives from Minia's extensive database. Finally, at the bottom of the tab, there's the Sales Timeline feature. Simply enter the URL of any online store and you'll see the sales that the store is making in real time. And now let's dive into the third and final tab, Track a New Shop. This incredible feature allows you to gain insight into any Shopify website. All you need to do is enter the website name in the search bar and click Track Shop. Once you do that, you'll be presented with all the data and analytics for the store in question. As you scroll through the information, you'll find everything you need to know to potentially create a similar store or replicate their winning products. It's like having a behind-the-scenes look at the inner workings of successful dropshipping businesses. So there you have it, folks, the AI tool that can help you make $145,000 in dropshipping with ease. We've covered the Winning Products tab, the Success Rater tab, and the Track a New Shop tab, all powered by Minia's cutting-edge business plan AI. If you want to check it out for yourself, we'll leave a link in the description below. We hope you found this video both informative and engaging. What AI content would you like to see next? Leave a comment below and let us know. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all our latest AI videos. See you next time.